Hi there, and welcome to How to Play Pyramid Solitaire. This is a simple beginner lesson followed by a gameplay where you can watch me play along. I've got other videos on how to do other solitaire games. Check them all out on my website. Solitaire. So the goal of the game is to tap any two cards that add up to 13. For example, you can tap on a 6 and a 7, that makes 13, and a 10 and a 3 is 13. Jacks are worth 11, queens are worth 12, and kings are already worth 13, so you can just remove them by just tapping on them. Now you'll see there's a 9 of diamonds on the right. That is the rest of the deck of cards, and we're going to show you how to play that in a second. But for starters here, are you able to add anything up to 13? And yes, actually, we've just said that kings are worth 13 by themselves. And we also said that queens and aces, which queens are 12, and therefore an ace is 1. Ace is always 1. Ace is never high in this game. That's 13. Also, an 8 and a 5 make 13. There's also a 7 and a 6, and that can equal 13. Now, we also have revealed this ace, which with this queen clears that. And now 10 and 3 makes 13, so 10 and 3, 13. And 9 and 4 make 13, so 9 and 4 make 13. And as you can see, we've already been able to do a lot, but we're not able to do much more. So now we have to move to the pile. So if you see here, we have a 9. Well, 9 plus x plus what makes 13? 4. There's no 4s we have access to. So we'll click on it and we'll move to the next one. Now this slides to the discard pile. And what we can do is if there's anything we can use, that 9 is still into play. And now we have a 3. The 3 could be used if there was a 10 anywhere. So we'll move that to the side. Or there's a 7, but that only can be used with a 6. We can't use that now. Here's another 9, still not going to help us. We need access to a 4. Here's a 10, but there's no 3. So here's a jack we can use because we can go with a 2. So let's keep moving. There's a 3. There's a 2. We need a jack. That's not going to help. Again, a 10 is not going to help. A king we can just tap on and it's free because it's already 13. 6 and 7. Now this is an interesting thing because the card up here is a 6, and we can tap on the card down here, since that makes 7, and we can clear that. So here's a 6, here's a jack, but there's no 2. 5, that's not going to help us. Here's a 9, and now the 9 finally is something we can use with the 4. And here's an 8 that we can use with the 5. And that allows us now to get back to this ace. And here is that 3 we can use with that 10. The king is free. And now we are looking at a 4 and a jack. There's not much we can do with our 6 and our 5 here, so we'll keep going. King is free. We can't do anything with that 8. The jack, we don't have a 2. That doesn't help us either. So we've got to the end of the deck. Now, sometimes that's the end of the game, but what we're playing is on endless mode, where we're going to let us do it again. That's why I'm on the easy mode. So now you see, oh, 9 and 4 can be moved, but now we also have a jack and a 2. We also have an ace and a king. Now we're getting closer. There's only the 3 cards left. That 7 needs a 6. That's not going to help. This 9 will help with a 4. This 10 will not help us. The only thing we can use now is a jack. So we essentially are just looking for a jack. Now that's done that, and now the only thing we need is an 8 to finish the game. And there's the 8. I hope you learned a lot from this. I hope you go out and play some solitaire with it. Let me know how you think of this video. Let me know if you'd like to see something, and check out all the other solitaire videos. Thanks. Have a great day.